Welcome! Get to know Avista Air Conditioning Heating LLC, your trusted AC and heating experts in Surprise, Arizona. We're committed to providing quality work and fair pricing to both homeowners and businesses. We prioritize quality work and saving you money. Unlike other companies, we focus on repairing your existing system whenever possible, rather than pushing for a costly replacement. We believe in providing honest, reliable service that puts your needs first. We have 30+ years of experience in the field. Ready to experience the Avista Air Conditioning Heating LLC difference? Call us now